Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix loot not showing up on ground Path of Exile 2. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be playing Path of Exile 2 here and you're wondering why is your loot not appearing. Now as you can see, when I point my mouse here on the ground, you can see there's like different armors, or in this case weapons that I could pick up. But basically, I want to have an overview and really see what are the items that I currently have right now on my ground here. Now, the thing with Path of Exile, there's a shortcut for this one. So you just need to press on the Z key on your keyboard, and that will show all of the items that you can pick up on the ground. Now, if you've accidentally pressed on Z, this will also remove that indicator here, and you won't be able to see all the items. So just press Z, and that should make sure that all the items are visible in here. Now, also, by the way, some items may not be visible to you due to some filters. You may have it accidentally added into your game or your account here. So you want to go ahead and open up your options here, and you want to go ahead and go to game. And as you can see, if you have any item filters, you may need to set this to none so that you can see all the items, because filters usually hide certain items or certain drops from the ground. So go ahead and choose none temporarily. And also make sure that when you go to info here, you want to look for the option for our item here. So this might be under the section here. So in this case, it should be toggle highlighting here, which is Z. So in this case, this will hide or unhide all of the items or drops that you may see on the ground here. But yeah, so that's how you fix it. So if you found this video helpful, or in this case, if you find this video helpful, like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.